Are you ready to build a career in the high-demand field of manufacturing? Look no further than West Georgia Technical College's Machining and Manufacturing program. At West Georgia Tech, we offer a comprehensive machining curriculum designed to equip you with the skills needed for success in modern manufacturing. From CNC machining to blueprint reading and quality control, our program covers all critical aspects of machining.
Led by industry-experienced professionals, our instructors provide hands-on training in state-of-the-art facilities, ensuring you're prepared to meet the demands of today's manufacturing environment.
Whether you aspire to work in aerospace, automotive, or advanced manufacturing, our program can help you achieve your career goals in machining and production.
Don't wait any longer to start your journey in manufacturing.
West Georgia Technical College, where your future in machining and manufacturing begins.
Visit our website at westgeorgiatech.edu to learn more and apply today.